Ponyville. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and every pony was happy. Then, quite suddenly, the sky darkened and was filled with the beating of wings. Changelings, led by the evil Queen Chrysalis, descended on the ponies of Ponyville, stealing everything in sight and imprisoning ponies within her sinister cocoons. She swept down on the castle and, with the help of her minions, smashed an ancient and magical stained glass window, leaving the castle in disarray. But most terrible of all, she seized the elements of harmony and shattered them, casting pieces of them across all of Equestria. Now it's up to the main six to set things right. Find what has been stolen, repair the stained glass window, and restore the elements of harmony to their rightful place. Every pony to the rescue! Great! You're back! Let's get going! We won't get through this one without Fluttershy! A Pinky Pie! Ponies to the rescue! Yuck! Everfree kind of smells like evil. Hey! That changeling has an element! The chase is on! Yes! One step closer! Oh no! It's pony picking time! Clobber that crusty old cocoon! Nice! But no time to lose! Almost there! Whoa there! Pinky sense is tingling. Something's not right here. Awesome! Almost there! Now what? No time to waste. Choose a pony. Make haste! Pesky parasprites! Smart thinking! Back to the chase! Almost there! Whoa there! Keep on kicking! Almost there! Great job! Almost there! Now what? It's pony picking time! Applejack or Twilight, clobber that crusty old cocoon! You did it! You're gaining on it! Whoa there! Drop the water on the fire when you're right above it! Well done! But the chase is still on! You're gaining on it! Now what? You can put it back in proper order. I know you can! Smart thinking! Back to the chase! You're gaining on it! Whoa there! It's pony picking time! Applejack or Twilight's changeling alert! Woohoo! You're gaining on it! Now what? We'll crack this puzzle in no time! chase is still on. Almost there. Now what? No time to waste. Choose a pony. Make haste. Let's move this out of the way. You did it! Almost there. Rover took the second half of the element of kindness. No time to be shy, Fluttershy. Follow the line around each shape to ask the animals for help. Way to go, Fluttershy! Kindness always prevails. Woohoo! Let's take this and put it where it belongs. This area has been freed from the evil clutches of Queen Chrysalis. There's nothing more to do here. This is quite a challenge. You'll need 5 ponies for this. Rare Twilight Pinkie Pie. Apple Rarity. The chase is on. The Crystal Empire. A glittering wonder to behold. Go get that piece of stained glass. You'll never get away, so don't even try. Almost there. Now what? No time to waste. Choose a pony. Make haste. I hear knocking from the inside. Help that pony get out. Great job! Almost there. Now what? It's pony picking time! Applejack or Rainbow. There's gotta be a way to unlock that door. Woohoo! Almost there! Whoa there! You can put it back in proper order. I know you can. Woohoo! Almost there. Whoa there! It's pony picking time. Applejack or clobber that crusty old cuckoo. You did it! You're gaining on it! Now what? Wait, there could be a trap! This is a job for Pinkie Pie! Yes! Almost there! Whoa there! Oh no! Bug blockade! Great job! Almost there! Now what? No time to waste. Choose a pony. Make haste! Look out! Changeling! Almost there! Whoa there! No time to waste. Choose a pony. Make haste! Is that a lever up there? Give it a pull! Great job! Almost there! Now what? It's pony picking time! Twilight Sparkle! Or there's gotta be a way to unlock that door! Yes! Almost there! Not so fast! Amazing chasing! We did it! Time to head home! Wow! It's complete! What a spectacular window! Restored to its former glory by you amazing ponies! Our quest is almost done! Then harmony for everyone! The ponies can smell something funny up ahead. Smells just like danger.